Hello friends, welcome to this session on English grammar. Previously, we have studied the 8 parts of speech. In that, we had a group which replaced nouns. Can you guess which one it is? Yes, a pronoun. Pronouns replace nouns at places needed to prevent repetition. Can you spot them in the following sentences? Did you get them all right? What if I say this, mine, these, herself, and anyone are also pronouns? When we think about pronouns, we think of he, she, it, her, his, etc. But those are not all of them. There are several more which are categorized into different types, 8 to be precise. But today we will see 3 of them. Let's understand them one by one. Take a look at the following sentences. Shaila won't come because Shaila is sick. Jack, Linda and John play together every day because Jack, Linda and John are best friends. Can we shorten these sentences without repeating the names? Shaila won't come because she is sick. Jack, Linda and John play together every day because they are best friends. Shaila is being replaced by she, whereas Jack, Linda and John are replaced by they. These are called as personal pronouns. The pronouns which are always specific and are often used to replace a proper noun, like someone's name, or a collective group of people or things. These are the most commonly used pronouns consisting of I and we are called as first person pronouns because I is when I am talking about me, whereas we is used when another person is performing the same action as I am. You is the second person pronoun because you are present in the conversation and I am talking to you. He, she, it, they, or specific name like Shaila, Jack, etc. are all third person pronouns because they are not present in the conversation, but they are a part of the conversation. Can you identify the personal pronouns? Suppose a conversation is going on between you and your sister, and she says, "Are these yellow pants yours?" And you reply with, "Yes, they are mine." Here, yours and mine are the substitute for your name. These suggest ownership and are called as possessive pronouns. They show possession or belongingness. Example: Identify possessive pronouns. Look for the words that show ownership. Now let's consider this. Suppose you're in a park and you see a bench and you say, "This is a nice place to sit." Here, this is used to point out to a particular bench. Similarly, if the bench was far away from you, you would have said, "That is a nice place to sit." This and that are demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns are used to point to something specific within a sentence. There are only 4 demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, those. This and that are singular, whereas these and those are plural. Identify the demonstrative pronouns. It's time for a quick recap. Friends, please note that these are not all of the pronouns. We will learn the rest of them in the upcoming session. Let's test what we have learned so far. Identify the pronouns in the following statement. Also state their type. Hope you have got all the answers correct. Friends, You may suggest any such topic which you find difficult by posting it in the comment box below. Before you leave, take a look at these online courses hosted on our platform www.letstude.com. See you soon. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and subscribe to Let's Tude. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified with our latest updates.